So, I have this huge book that my husband got me for my birthday, and I like to do big tangles in it. And I've lately really been in the mood to do different kinds of striping. Now, I did this in one of my very, very early classes, and you can just draw any shape and then bring a line down from any part of it, and it will make it look as though kind of if it was a square, it would look very much like a building, right? And what I love about this though is underneath each of them, I'm going to create this stripe pattern. Now you can do this many different ways. You can do opposites, you can have it go the same all the way around, over, under. The point isn't to find a specific way to do it, because that's just going to be the ego overthinking the whole thing. And we're doing Zentangle, so we're looking for the Zen of the repetition. So the repetition is what really allows our mind to relax, no matter what the tangle looks like. It's about continually doing the same thing over and over again. And at the same time, this is when you're going to focus on, am I breathing? Am I biting the inside of my cheek, holding my breath, holding the pen too tight, pushing too hard with the pen? Breathe. This is the whole reason that I have been teaching this live on social media since COVID, is because for me, this is self-care. This is anxiety relief, stress relief, because when you're repetitively doing the same thing over and over and over again, I find that my mind can't think of anything else. And so if I can share that with other people, that's what I want to do. So my focus of the Zentangle method and tangling in general is not the tangle at the end. That's the bonus. It's all the things that I'm doing to relieve stress throughout. So it's a constant check-in with myself. So like right now, I'm doing a lot of filling in. Am I holding my breath? Am I pushing down too hard with the pen? Am I crinkling my toes? And those are the things, if I'm doing those things, I just want to say, okay, stop doing that, and move on. I don't want to spend a lot of time on it. Just stop doing that and move on. Will you likely go back to doing it? Sure, because this is a practice that takes time. Now shading, there's no light source in the Zentangle method, so just take the pencil and put it wherever you want and enjoy it. Have fun. If you don't like where you put the pencil, grab an eraser and erase it. I don't want you not to shade because you're nervous about anything. Do what makes you happy. If you go to my main page, you can find my playlists, as well as underneath my P.O. box, there's a long thing that you can tap that will take you to all of the other things that I love. Enjoy, have fun.